This video was supposed to start with a clip of our van being hauled away on a tow truck to perfectly set up the story of how we were gonna leave our van here in Oregon and travel to Alaska. But in preparation for that trip, I accidentally deleted that clip. So you're just gonna have to imagine this van on a big flatbed tow truck just getting hauled away and us being all sad about it and stuff. And here's the cool stuff you're about to watch.
I've never been in one of these. I didn't know what to expect. Oh, that's so funny. Klyde, are you ready to use your little grass hat, bud? Hi. Where the heck are we? That's so funny. I thought it'd be like a little outdoor area or something.
Nope.
Hey, let's try and pee on the rock.
He's like,
I don't want to stand on that stuff.
ew, there's pee everywhere.
I see it. Ooh, I'm stepping in it. Ew. Let's try it. I know you don't like that stuff, do you? So you can stand on it. Ooh, I bet there's some good smells.
He's like, what is this?
Literally. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Yeah. The best boy. Okay, go in. We're getting better now. Oh my gosh, good boy. Oh, good boy. We gotta go in. What the heck's happening?
It's rinsing.
It's wild. Hi, buddy. Okay.
Ew.
Back up. Oh, good boy. Oh my gosh, you're the best boy.
Ready for the plane.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Hello.
Howdy.
Have a good night.
Hey.
We made it.
So we got in last night and met up with my family and went out to eat and checked out cool open mic. And then came back to our Airbnb that we're staying in.
Yeah, and today's objective is to check out as much of Juneau as we possibly can.
So let's do it.
What better way to see somewhere than to go up high? Chinese, it is my dream to be able to just clip in with one of those guys and just float on down the hill.
Later that day, we took a beautiful drive to Mendenhall Glacier, which is actually right in Juneau. 1 minute you're driving by houses, and the next you're face to face with this breathtaking glacier. We spent some time walking around the area and just taking in the scenery, and then went inside the visitor center to learn more about the landscape and the history of the glacier.
We have two objectives today. The first one, see more of Juneau. The second one, see some whales.
We made a stop at the Shrine of St. Therese, a historical Catholic church. The way that the structure and nature have so beautifully intertwined was something to behold.
Humpback whale around 12:30, 1 o'clock, but the seagulls are around 1:30. Same direction.
For our first whale sighting, we were lucky enough to stumble upon a mother named Barnacles and her calf. During this tour, the guides were able to identify the whales by their unique flukes and tell us their names and history. This made us feel so much more connected to the whales during this experience. This waterfall is actually in the same place we were like 2 days ago. If you notice, the glacier is actually over here. And then we were able to view it from over there. So we hiked on over to see the waterfall up close.
Since we've been in Alaska, our van has been in the shop getting its transmission fixed, and tomorrow when we're back in Oregon, we should be able to go and pick it up.
We are so excited to be able to start up van life again. Being in Alaska with this weather has made us like so excited for fall and all the cozy vibes, and we can't wait to experience that in our van.
Yeah, and we're really excited for it to not be hot anymore. So coming here, it's been like 50, 55. It's been so nice.
So nice. While we've been here, we stayed in an Airbnb and we've had a great experience and we've loved it. So we will link it in the comments below, and it's dog friendly, so Klyde got to come.
Yep, so if you're ever in Juneau, this is a
Yep.
great place to stay.
Are you ready to go get the van?
Let's do it.
We'll see you back in Oregon. We made it back from Alaska, and right after we got back, we were actually able to go pick up our van Henry from the shop. We got the van back! Woohoo! And not only did we bring Henry home, but I also brought a bit of a cold home with me too. We're super excited to get back on the road and get back into van life and kind of like relearn everything again, get the hang of it all. And we can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.